Thanks for tuning in to the first episode of Cooking with Me. I'm me, and I hope that you are you. Most of you know that I'm on the ketogenic diet, and that's how I'm going from fat body to that hottie. And when I'm in the privacy of my own home, I find it very easy to stick to that diet. But what if I'm invited to a social event, like a barbecue? Are they gonna find me in the bathroom snorting avocados? Yes. But not because I have to. Summer is upon us, and I'm not talking about my girlfriend's sister. I thought it would be a great idea to do a keto barbecue series, and I can show you all of my favorite things to drink. Oh yeah! Appetizers, entrees, and even a few tips to stay keto and keep it healthy, and we're gonna have a great time. Now, before I get to the food, let's talk about what you can drink at a social event such as a barbecue while you're on the ketogenic diet, because this is where a lot of people are going to slip up. They're gonna want to go back to their old habits and drink a beer, cocktail, soda. Number one is coffee. I love coffee, and I'll either show up with a Starbucks cup, or I'll ask my host to make some coffee, or I'll ask if they have any coffee, and they normally do, because at this point you're not even at the barbecue area yet. You're like walking through their house and they're like, can I get you a beer? Can I get you a soda? And you turn down basically everything that normal people drink, and all you gotta do is say, do you have any coffee? My second favorite is Zevia. I'll bring a 6-pack of these bad boys, because you can't bring just one. And if you bring two, they're gonna ask you for one. Some people like LaCroix. I don't like LaCroix. These taste like actual soda, except for the Dr. Zevia. It almost tastes like actual soda. Ginger ale is probably my favorite, unless we talk about root beer floats. If you take the root beer, which is really good by the way, over ice, and then you take a little bit of heavy whipping cream and you pour that as much as you want. It tastes like a root beer float. It really does. It is delicious. It might not look very good, but it tastes good. It tastes like ice cream. Oh yeah! Next on the list is mineral water. My favorite is Topo Chico, because the texture of the carbonation closely resembles beer or soda, more so than other mineral waters. And it's made in Mexico. So if you ever travel to Mexico, try the water. You can drink Topo Chico plain, it's good, or you can put a lime in it if you're trying to substitute for a cocktail habit. If you want to add some lemon juice, Italian Volcano is like pure lemon juice from Italy. This stuff is really good. And sometimes I'll take some of these sweet drops, which is liquid stevia. You can add the berry flavor. It's like a berry lemonade, or if you add about 15 drops of the root beer or vanilla cream, it'll taste just like a root beer or just like a cream soda. You can even add the heavy whipping cream to either one of those. If you don't feel like buying these cans, these are just as good if you put them in the mineral water. And there's also tea, hot tea, and also unsweet iced tea, as long as you don't have any sugar or artificial sweeteners. Also, stay away from the regular diet sodas like Diet Coke. Zevias are okay, that's just stevia and water, but you don't want to drink any of that nasty stuff they put in the regular diet sodas, because that's not going to help at all if you're on the ketogenic diet or trying to cure insulin resistance. Well, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next videos where we get into the cooking and the recipes and all that jazz. This has been Cooking with Me. I've been me, and I hope you've been you. Oh yeah!
Cooking with me. Cooking with me. Doo-ba-doo.
Well, the word on the street is, if you comment on this video, you'll be the talk of the town. If you subscribe, all of your dreams will come true. Till next time.